Hello there, this is Gary Wales and Andreas Aranda. We want to give you a brief update. We've been very remiss in this as of late because we sent 5 cars to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and that we were taken up doing a lot of work there. We've been back on the Fiat again. We've had the wheels and the tires and all that done. I'm going to pick up a lot of money's worth of wheels and tires and everything over at Lucas Tire in Long Beach, and I just want to show you where we're at. Andreas got the wheels together and on. We're just starting to fit everything so you can get an idea of where it's at. We have to do a lot of mods on these things to make everything fit the way we want to. As you can see, we've got to round it for the hood all the way around and keep on going. The back of it, the boat tail, is with our friend John, who's putting on a little bit of wood for us and some other things. This is going to be your surprise. I want to show you that and say, first of all, say hello, Andreas.
Hi there.
And hello from Gary Wales. This is our seat and our box to put a few goodies in, mostly booze, I would think. But anyway, here it is. We've got the brakes attached to the wheels. They're incredibly heavy. And as you can imagine, everything was overbuilt. This is a 21-foot, 12,000-pound vehicle. There's our sprocket. We've upped it, made it larger. There's your chains, just to get an idea how massive all this stuff is and what it takes to get them running. So we just wanted to show you a little bit of an update on this thing. This is our Beast of Turin, our salute to the Beast of Turin. And now we will end with saying we will see you Saturday at the Orange County Fairgrounds and Cruising for a Cure. Thank you. See you later.